What if I told you that 5 simple juices could help you burn belly fat faster than hours of cardio? And what if the third juice on this list can actually prevent weight gain by stabilizing your blood sugar levels? If you're tired of stubborn belly fat that won't budge, this video will reveal 5 scientifically backed juices that can accelerate your fat loss journey. But here's the catch. Not all juices help with weight loss. Some can actually make you gain weight. Stay with me to discover which ones actually work. Juices can be a convenient and nutritious way to support your weight loss journey. But here's what most people don't realize. Not all juices are created equal. While some can contribute to achieving your weight loss goals, others may unintentionally lead to weight gain due to their high sugar content and lack of fiber. The key is discovering the right ingredients and preparation methods to maximize the fat-burning benefits. Let me show you the 5 most effective belly fat-burning juices backed by science. Juice number 1, celery juice, the low-calorie fat burner. Celery juice has gained massive popularity due to its incredibly low calorie content and high water content, making it perfect for weight loss. With only 16 calories per cup, celery juice is rich in antioxidants and plant compounds that not only help with fat loss, but also combat oxidative stress and inflammation. The high water content helps you feel full, while the natural diuretic properties reduce bloating, giving you a flatter stomach appearance almost immediately. Drink 8 ounces on an empty stomach each morning for best results. Juice number 2, beetroot juice, the athlete's secret weapon. Beetroot juice is popular among athletes for its performance-enhancing properties, but it's also incredibly effective for weight loss. It contains dietary nitrates that boost muscle efficiency and endurance while regulating blood pressure. This means you can work out harder and longer, burning more calories. Although juicing removes most fiber, beetroot juice remains a nutritious, low-calorie option that supports weight management by improving your workout performance and fat-burning capacity. Mix with a little lemon juice to enhance absorption and taste. Juice number 3, pomegranate juice, the blood sugar stabilizer. With its refreshing taste and low calorie count, pomegranate juice offers powerful weight loss benefits that most people don't know about. Studies show that consuming pomegranate juice can prevent weight gain by stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing hunger pangs. His makes it incredibly valuable for controlling cravings and preventing overeating. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice also boost metabolism and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Limit to 4 ounces daily due to natural fruit sugars, and drink it before meals to control appetite. Juice number 4, green vegetable juice, the fiber and antioxidant powerhouse. Vegetable juices containing kale, spinach, cucumber, and cabbage are rich in fiber and antioxidants that promote satiety and weight loss. These components not only make you feel full longer, but also contribute to fat loss by reducing the risk of weight gain and fat accumulation over time. The chlorophyll in green vegetables also helps detoxify your liver, improving your body's ability to metabolize fat. Add a small apple or lemon for taste, but keep the focus on vegetables for maximum fat-burning benefits. Juice number 5, watermelon juice, the natural appetite suppressant. Watermelon juice combines sweetness with powerful weight loss benefits thanks to its high water content and abundance of nutrients. The high water content promotes a feeling of fullness while reducing cravings, and the natural sugars satisfy sweet tooth cravings without the calories of processed snacks. Watermelon also contains citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow and can enhance fat burning during exercise. Drink 8 ounces before meals to reduce overall calorie intake. Important warnings about juice and weight loss. Avoid store-bought juices. They're loaded with added sugars and preservatives that sabotage weight loss. Don't replace meals with juice. Use them as supplements to a healthy diet. If you have diabetes, consult your doctor before adding fruit juices to your routine. Always eat some protein or healthy fat with fruit juices to prevent blood sugar spikes. Remember, these juices work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. These 5 fat-burning juices can significantly accelerate your belly fat loss when used correctly as part of a healthy lifestyle. The key is consistency and proper preparation. Start with 1 juice daily and gradually incorporate others as your body adapts. Remember, there's no magic bullet for weight loss, but these juices can give you a significant advantage by reducing cravings, boosting metabolism, and keeping you hydrated and satisfied. Which of these 5 fat-burning juices are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you discover new ways to accelerate your weight loss, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's struggling with stubborn belly fat. Subscribe for more science-based weight loss tips that actually work, and I'll see you next video.